So I thought I would show you how I start up my week and what the week entails of me and my sewing room. So here is, first of all, we are under construction. So you see that funny wall in the back, that's pink. That's all gonna be wallpaper. So Dennis is working on that. So everything's a little messy as far as how I usually have things situated. But the surfaces are clean right now. So this is my ironing spot. My sewing machine looks pretty good. My Maeve, this is Maeve. She looks pretty good right now. And my Juki is sitting there waiting for me. And it's a little messy underneath my cutting table. And right now I am not using my longer. So this is Monday. So this is what it looks like on Monday. So currently I am working on the gypsy quilt. So what I try to do is at least make one block a day. And so I am going to bring out my things for my one block a day. So I've been working on these all day. I got another block done. And of course I had to bring all this fabric to make those blocks for my gypsy quilt. And then I saw this beautiful video of faces that I wanted to do. So I've been cutting out all sorts of pieces so I could make 5 different faces of women. We'll see what that looks like. So this is a little messy. I finished up all of my bookmarks today. And over here, I'm working on some more blocks for my gypsy quilt. And here I have managed to drop a screw inside that sewing machine. So I am working to find the right magnet to pull it out because it's not coming out. But it'll come out. I'll get it. I'll find the right magnet. But and that's up there, of course, is the glass of wine that I really need. So this is what my sewing space looks like at 9 o'clock on the same day that I started. Let's see what morning brings. So I worked on another block for my gypsy quilt last night, and I also put all of my fabrics together for my portrait that I'm doing.
I'm going to label each of those with a different project. This is a red hair girl. This is crying girl. And this is young girl. So I have 5 projects in all, but this is how I started my first 3.